Top of the morning, providers, man. It's your man Git, man, and I'm back with another banger, man. Sunday morning, man. Labor Day. I want to say happy Labor Day to all you hard workers out there, all you hard working women, all you hard working men, man. You know what I mean? Today's your day to relax, stretch your feet out, and enjoy yourself, man. Today, man, me and my family, we're gonna head out to the beach, and you know, I know it's gonna be real crowded out there. It's about 7 a.m. I'm up early. I want to get up early to do my little yard chores and get the yard in order before we get out of here. But I want to show you guys, I want to throw some meat on this grill. So I got the meat on the grill real early. Get this food cooked before we get out there. Was gonna cook it last night, but I want to have it nice and fresh for me and my family for today. So as soon as that's done, man, we jumping on the road. I know it's gonna be real crowded out there at those beaches today. Everybody's gonna want to come near. It's been like 105, 106 degrees the last 3 days in Los Angeles, man. It's this heat wave is just going crazy. And I know everybody's gonna want to come out their houses today and head for the beach. We got a real nice spot that we usually go to up towards Malibu. So that's where we're gonna be heading this morning. Everybody's in there still knocked out, getting their Z's, man. But they gotta get up so we can hit it, just to make sure we get a good parking space, man. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. If you're new here to the channel, be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up at the end of this video if you enjoyed the video, guys. I got my truck all loaded up over here too, man. Got the chairs on here, got my tent, got my igloo over there. Stop and get some ice before we get close. But y'all see that sun coming up over the hill, man? It's gonna be a scorcher today, guys.
I'm making these. That is my son. I'm making it for the son. Come here. I mean the mom. This is my son. His name is Louie, like Louie. Dad, I make them yummy back. But rich. My son is rich because he has a Louis Vuitton. And then I'm gonna make a huge bottle turkey. That has. Look at Pepper. Right there. Drip.
Drip?
Because I'm the greatest chef and parrot.
Traffic is stupid, guys. We on the highway. We headed out here, man. Y'all see all this traffic.
And you're gonna pass the sign.
Guys over there surfing. You know what I mean? Look at the traffic, man. We on PCH headed towards Malibu and Zuma area. Look at these cats. They looking for where they can go catch the big one. All right, y'all. We here. You know what I mean? It's crowded as hell. And we gotta find a spot. That's what you could go do, babe, if you want to go scout real quick. Take a chair with you, babe. See, it's super crowded out here, guys, but we here, man. It's a beautiful day. Everybody's spaced out. At least we got a park, like I said. So now we just gotta find us a cool spot to set up, man, and we'll be good. We gotta go down here and try to find us, stake our claim, guys, because it's crowded. And I know everybody don't want to be too close.
Get over there on the side of that.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
I'm mad about that battery thing. That we don't have. For our music. Yeah, right, we'll start singing in a minute. Nice.
Those iPads is pretty loud too, though.
Don't do that, Mom.
She throwing sand. Sand thrower.
Sand thrower. Take off your shorts and give me your clothes so they say Trey got you on film.
Yeah, you
got your
big homie. That's the big homie. Oh, he had to get tightened up. Yeah.
Yeah, you see how he's smiling now?
What's up, Pooh? You going in? All right, guys, me and Chetty Chai, we out here. This water is freezing, huh? Come on, guys.
No. the way in there.
Come on with daddy.
We're putting our feet in the way. Ah. So come. Jai. I got you.
I'm gonna have to wait until 12. Go on in, click it.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Carl.
No, no.
Here. Come on, get in the water. She don't leave home without it, man. She got that Moet out here, got it tucked. I already know she like that nectar. Just check the temperature, 93 degrees. What's up, babe? How you doing? You having a good time?
Yeah.
You see her, y'all. She's speaking to y'all today. What's up, Lake? Hope y'all day is going well. Mine's going well. Just hanging out with the family, man. Cooling, chilling, eating good, drinking good.
Huh?
It's like
Go for it.
Hey.
Let's come see what this parking guy doing, guys. He over here on one writing tickets like he lost his mind. Instead of going over there and relaxing and cooling out. Make sure he didn't get me. Scared of it.
Okay. Oh my god. Dad.
You ready to get back in? Look at that. Hand on the hip. She's sassy, y'all. She still got it going on. I love her. It's only one way in. Just keep walking. Don't stop with her. Yeah, you can't stop walking. Turn around, Puka. Look. Don't stop, Yee. Woo! Swells thing got bigger. Swells thing got bigger. Yeah. Go on the ink. Oh, they like running down, like. Yeah, I would.
He attached to like a cord at the bottom. When he jumps off.
I got you. Stand up, stand up.
You okay?
Stand up.
You okay? This is the best
Calm
part.
down.
This is the best part.
Got it. Look at little Chatty out here, y'all. Look at little Chatty out here, y'all. You got it. I got you. I got you. Relax. Don't fight the water.
Are the sharks on the way out to
me right here. Stand up. Stand up. You can stand right here. Stand. Okay, jump. Don't swallow the water. Let's stand up. Relax. When I say go under, look. You gotta hold your breath and go under. We out of here, guys. Party's over. Had a beautiful day, man. Y'all see that sunset over there? We was out there in those waves having big fun with the family. We gotta get us a kite next time too. What's good, guys? Look at this horse, guys.
Oh,
Wow.
I love it.
Check him out.
Oh, Mom did that at her house.
Yeah, they race horses. Which way,
This
babe?
part right here.
Hey, you love daddy? Kinda. Bruh. Oh, okay. Where's Lake at?
I'm right here.
Hey, Lake. Say hi to the guys.
Hi.
Take back, baby. Yeah. Fuck on. Yeah, there's traffic, yeah.
Who is it? Oh, Weird. Oh, when y'all get here, Weird? Uh-oh. Peaches Whittle here. Fresh from Dallas in the building. Who you got with you? Hey, Louie.
He's $3,000. Yeah, he's rich. Hi, Auntie Baby. Let me see that.
What's up, Scrap?
Whitney is in Atlanta.
Hi, Joy.
There go Louie. Oh my God, Peaches, you are dead serious. So pretty. I can't believe you are packing up all this stuff.
Such a teddy bear.
I know, I love him. But I can't believe that you are really, really packing up and to do your house over again.
Oh, it's gone. It's done.
Oh my God, you got a lot of stuff. Look at all this stuff.
Oh, he is.
And this is probably the first place. Look, this is probably the first place you started up.
Yes.
And you still got everything else to do.
Yes.
Oh my God.
But the time will come and it will get done.
I know. I'm so happy you're gonna have a whole bunch of more room and then I have a
Okay,
whole
back to the action. Back to the action.
What's the action, Trey? Y'all good actors. Trey, what's that? What's that? Look, throw all that stuff. I already know. How much stuff? How much? Look, this is ridiculous. That's ridiculous.
Trying to pack up.
I'm
trying to pack.
That is ridiculous, bro.
Does this look like trash or save? Y'all let me know in the comment.
Oh my God.
Goodness.
I
We could use this, man.
I'm on vacation.
Paper.
Peaches, huh? I didn't come over here to help you. I'm on vacation.
Look, Mark Jacobs.
Tomorrow.
Alright guys, so the video has rolled into the next day, man. We had a wonderful day at the beach yesterday. I'm here with my family. We getting some more stuff packed up in this house. I'm playing tug of war with the wife in there about what's trash and what she's saving and what's gonna go to the yard sale and what needs to go out and what she needs to give away. My sister-in-law just got in town from Texas, Dallas, Texas, man. So we about to kick it, have some fun, guys. And I'm gonna bring this one to an end. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. Subscribe to the channel. Tell them. See y'all on the next one, guys. Out. Tell them we see them on the next one. Out.
I'll see you on the next one now.